Many times you ask yourself, do I have what it takes? There was a time when people would say, if you're spending time on the internet, you're going to fail in your grades and you're not going to get a job. The 19-year-old makes $1 million on YouTube videos today. So what are we talking about? Degrees are displaced today in a matter of months and weeks, and people have no value for the right kind of the education system that we actually kind of were driven by for decades and centuries, and saying, if you don't have a degree, then you're a failure. But today, I know of people who are 20 and 22-year-old making YouTube videos and going on social media, doing coding, and there's so much that they're doing by developing their skills. So for me, it was always attitude over aptitude. When you have the right attitude in life, not only do you excel, you also inspire other people, right? But a lot of the skills are trainable. But attitude needs to come from within.